Are you looking for a reliable moving company in Trumbull, Connecticut? Let's dive into why we are your best choice for your next move in Trumbull. At 3 Movers, we've built a reputation as one of the most trusted moving companies in Trumbull, Connecticut. We handle both residential and commercial moves with expertise. No matter what type of move you're planning, we've got you covered. Our services include whatever your moving needs are, we've got a solution. When it comes to local moves, choosing the right company is key. Local moving companies in Connecticut aren't regulated, so it's important to do your research. Make sure the company is licensed, experienced, and has a proven track record. At 3 Movers, we've been serving Trumbull for years, and our customer reviews speak for themselves. We also offer transparent pricing, so you always know what you're getting. Wondering how much your move will cost? Here are some estimates for moving to or from Trumbull, Connecticut. The final cost depends on factors like shipment size and distance, but we'll provide you with a free customized quote tailored to your needs. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more moving tips and updates. And remember, when you're looking for reliable movers in Trumbull, 3 Movers is here to help. See you in the next video.